Do you want to master automatic video editing tool? Right here in this video, I'm going to show you one of the best AI tool for your video editing right here, and this AI tool is called Wisecut. So you want to simply go onto wisecut.video. Wisecut.video helps you automatically cut and edit videos with AI tool right there. You want to simply upload your video right here, and this AI tool called Wisecut is going to automatically edit that video right here for you. So with Wisecut, you can turn your long-form talking videos into short, impactful clips with music, subtitles, and auto-frame. These short clips are perfect for platforms like YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram Reels, and social ads right there. So guys, all you want to do is to go get started for free and simply just sign in, and it's going to take you right onto this page. So guys, once you're right here, all you want to simply do is to go on to new projects right here. Right here guys, there are two-step right here. So step one is to upload your file. Click on to add media. And once you're right here, click here to browse your files, so you can easily drag your file right here. So I'm just going to go on to the video section right here, and I'm going to make use of this video and tap on open right here guys. And as you can see, this is it. So once that is done, I go on to upload one file, and this is going to upload right here for me. So guys, let's see how this will actually look like. So guys, it is done uploading. Go on to the next button. So step 2, set up your project. Give this a project name. For the course of this tutorial, I'm going to make this to be test 2. Now, spoken language in the video, I want to simply make it to be English. Right here guys, you want to simply go into smooth cut, auto cut silences, smart background music, auto dock, auto punch in and out, and burn in captions. So you want to simply just turn all of this on and go on to create project, and it's going to create our project right. So guys, as you can see, Wisecut is working on our project, and once it is ready, you will be notified by email. So you want to simply wait for some seconds. Now Wisecut actually takes times. So right here guys, sometimes it's just going to take a few seconds right there for this to be done, but it all depends on the length of your videos right there. So right here guys, if your video is up to an hour, you want to simply wait for some lengthy time right there. But if it's just 15 seconds there, about within a few seconds they are done editing this. So guys, you want to simply be patient and wait for your Wisecut to automatically edit your video right here guys, and you'll be surprised at the outcome of this video right here that so guys, and you will be surprised at the outcome of that video that has been edited using this AI tool called Wisecut. So right here guys, as you can see, our test 2 video is done right here. So I'm just going to open this right here guys. So this is it. So this is our video right here that has been created. 4 seconds of awkward silence has been removed. 10 lines of subtitles has been created. Music that perfectly fits your video. Audio enhanced with professional editing techniques, and smart close-up created with auto punch in. So once you're done with this, go on to edit project right here, and it's going to take you right onto this page. So as you can see, this was removed, and right here this has been added to our video, and this was actually removed right here from our video. So once you're done with that, you can also go on to this part and simply enable hide remove scene right there, drag to reorder, and select scenes for a short video. You can easily do that. You can go on to translations right here, and as you can see, you can also translate your videos right here using the Wisecut. You can translate it to German, French, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese right there. And guys, you can also go into the music section, and you can add some smart background music right here for your video. Go on to the settings right here. You can easily change your project name, and also turn off some features, Wisecut features right there. And you can also preview and export your video, and you can export your video as the original size right. So you can export as 16:9, 9:16, or 1:1 right there. And you can also add in burn-in captions right there for your videos. Right, I'm just going to go into the storyboard, and I actually like this the way it is right here. So once you're done with this, go on to preview and export. Scroll down right here and tap on export videos right here, and this video will be exported right here. So guys, as you can see, Wisecut is working on this project, and once it is ready, you will get notified via your email address. So let's simply just be patient and wait for this to export, and let's see the outcome of this video. So guys, our video is done exporting right there. So I'm just going to play this. So guys, that is it right here. You have been able to edit this video perfectly. So guys, all you want to do is to simply just download this right into your device right there. So this is how you are able to make use of this AI tool called the Wisecut.video, which automatically cuts and edits your videos right here by simply just uploading the file right here. And this AI tool is going to do all the editing right here for you.